Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game not working, crashing, crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. First fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2, clear Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Assassin's Creed Black Flag Racing game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then you can skip this step. And step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to General, Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, now you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3, manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4, run Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game again and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game. So simply uninstall the game from the Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced game not working, crashing, crashes at a setup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.